Welcome, second graders, to our end of the year awards. Mrs. Cole has a short little poem that I want to read to you guys, and it's from all the second grade teachers. We are so proud. We were your teachers. We've watched you learn and grow. We've worked so hard and had such fun. How fast the time did go. Our year was interrupted, and it seemed too soon to part. Just know that you will always have a special place within our heart. With love, Mrs. Kroll, Mrs. Moore, and Miss Detweiler. I will go ahead and do my awards first. Perfect attendance for the 9 weeks, which goes to Easton Gephardt. Jake Gillespie, Eddie Newman, Levi Taylor, and I have 1 perfect attendance for the whole year, and that goes to Eddie Newman. Nice job, Eddie. That's a big deal. So at the end of the year awards, we thought it would be fun to do some fun things. So they all have to do with candy, because you guys are all so sweet. So my first award is a Baby Ruth Award for being a superstar athlete, goes to Landon Williamson. A Starburst Award goes to Riley Brown for being a classroom superstar. A Milky Way Award for being an out-of-the-world reader to Sophia Weber. And a Bubbly Richards Award for having a bubbly, happy attitude in everything you do, Gabriella Cunningham. I have a Lifesavers Award for being a lifesaver and helping everyone in need, especially Mrs. Kroll, Jake Gillespie. The Crunch Award for working hard and coming through in a crunch, Kaylin Owens. The Hot Tamale Award for being quick thinking on your feet goes to Vernon Hoops. Fast Break Award goes to Grace Coggus for having the extra fast math skills. I picked her because she's so good when we play around with her. She's really fast. Junior Mint Award goes to Eddie Newman because you're a mint. You are meant for something great. Award goes to Levi Taylor for helping out and giving your classmates a break. The Laffy Taffy Award for sharing your love and laughter with the class, Eli Gill. The M&M Award goes to Easton Gephardt for being marvelous and magnificent. The Skittles Award goes to Patsy Branscombe for creating colorful, creative masterpieces of art. Sour Patch Kids Award goes to Sierra Davis for always helping to turn sour situations into sweet ones. And the 3 Musketeers Award goes to Maddox Hager for being a great teammate and friend. Twizzlers Award goes to Lucas Madelinsky for your ability to untwist and solve difficult problems. The Gobstoppers Award goes to Johnny Fuller for doing gobs and gobs of great learning this year. And my last one is the Teddy Grahams Award is presented to Bailey Dennis for being as sweet and lovable as a teddy bear. Let's give these boys and girls a round of applause. Mrs. Cole's proud of you, and I'm going to miss you next year. Good job.
Perfect attendance goes to Colin Bowen. Nathan Callahan. The awards, Fast Break Award to Extra Fast Math Skills, Ray Gallagher. Now and Later Award for willingness to help anybody now and later, Lane Livingston, he's absent today. Bubble Yum Award for a bubbly, fun attitude, Tressa Malone. Baby Ruth for being a superstar athlete, Lincoln Williams, he's absent. Bubblicious Award for having a bubbly, happy attitude and everything, Allie Riley. Jolly Rancher Award for having a jolly, positive attitude, Sophie Wheeler. Laffy Taffy Award for sharing your love of laughter with the class, Charlie Staffen. She's absent today. Lifesaver Award for being a lifesaver and helping anyone in need, Vance Singleton. Milky Way Award for being an out-of-this-world reader, Layla Duddy. A Mr. Goodbar Award for being a good, kind friend, Nathan Callahan. For a Miss Goodbar Award for being a good friend, Laylee Blevins. Three Musketeer Award for being a great teammate and friend, Cohen Bowen. Skittles Award for creating colorful, creative masterpieces of art, Luna Goldamez, who's absent also today. Junior Men's Award for being meant for something great, Parker Hamilton. M&M Award for being marvelous and magnificent, Jaslyn Bliss. Snickers Award for being a class act giggler, Kinley Walls. Carefree Award for having a happy and carefree attitude, Hunter Woods. Gobstopper Award for Gobs and Gobs of Great Learning this year, Aiden Evans. Peppermint Patty Award because you've worth a mint to us, Leo Sandoval. Hey, round of applause for everybody. Good job, guys.
All right, good morning. So my Skittles Award is going to Kanan Mockmer for creating a colorful, creative masterpieces of art. Kanan is always drawing on anything that he does. Great job. My Sour Patch Award goes to Avery Glandon for always helping to turn sour situations into sweet ones. My Bubblicious Award goes to Morgan Worsball for having a bubbly, happy attitude in everything that she does. My Baby Ruth Award goes to Jay Spoon for being a superstar athlete. My Dots Award is going to go to Ashton Klein for always arriving on time and right on the dot. My Crunch Bar Award is going to Landon Eastep for working really hard and coming through in a crunch. My Bubble Yum Award is going to Elijah Woods for having a bubbly, fun attitude. My Rolo Award is going to Micah Strasbaugh for showing us how to roll with change during difficult days. All right, my Teddy Graham Award is going to Amaya for being as sweet and lovable as a teddy bear. My Snickers Award is going to Mr. Samuel White for being a class act giggler. My Milky Way Award is going to Brendan Young for being an out-of-the-world mathematician. All right, my Spree Award is going to Caleb Silva for his willingness to go on as a helping spree at any time of the day. My Starburst Award is going to Adeline Cooper for being a classroom superstar. My Fast Break Award is going to Ashton Dameron for having extra fast math skills. My Jolly Arranger Award is going to Alara Sexton for having a holly jolly positive attitude. Next I have the Kit Kat Award, and it goes to Bella Wagner for helping out and giving your classmates a break. I'm missing one little guy, and that's Ethan Needham, and I would give him my Smarties Award for showing your smarts in your school subjects. My last award is the Laffy Taffy Award, and it's going to Layla Mitchell for sharing your love of laughter with the class. All right, the whole second grade, give yourself a round of applause for working so hard this year, and that concludes our award ceremony.